Context Matters will provide a common platform of understanding around risk and value of products.
Context Matters allows companies to understand how countries can say yes. It leads them down the path of yes to important healthcare products.
To help people in the drug industry focus on more important drugs, drugs with higher value, drugs that are worth more to everyone around the world. And it's been a long time coming. Well, Context Matters is emerging in a very blank space where there has been no knowledge. There has been no systematic attempt to understand what drugs are worth and what they're being paid for around the world. Context Matters is creating a market to fulfill this need.
Reimbursement Risk Tracker lets you visualize risk.
Across company, by a multiplicity of users, showing information's power on a variety of different types of problems. Context Matters influences data from the very earliest stage of a proposition through licensing and registration. It can work with an R&D team who are trying to understand where a product should sit relative to pipeline issues. It helps healthcare technology assessment issues inside a company. It helps with licensing issues relative to safety and efficacy.
The Reimbursement Risk Tracker gives our customers the ability to see from a very global point of view how best to launch a product and how best to gain the most optimal reimbursement.
Really get research organizations to understand how they will be reimbursed for their drugs and what they need to do in terms of outcomes analysis.
If the drug isn't going to be reimbursed, then it's really not worth developing. If this application can help push along the availability of better therapies, we'll have done a world of good, not just for industry, not just for governments, but for all of us as patients and human beings.
And that's something that is really very different than what I've seen in the industry today.